Fine ABH 18 is an extremely compact and powerful 18-volt cordless rotary hammer drill with an impact energy of 2 joule for drilling up to 20mm in concrete. It gives you rapid work progress thanks to a high impact energy, and for user protection is built with reduced vibration, overload protection and a safety clutch. To help minimise dust, use the ABH hammer drill along with the optional dust extraction nozzle and a suitable dust extractor. For flexibility, it has the option of standard drilling, rotary hammer drilling and chiselling, and the brushless motor gives you a long service life and high efficiency to keep you working longer. To keep yourself updated on fine products and applications, subscribe to the channel below.